Hey, tumbleweeds! We haven't been out in the desert since early December. So, Chia and I are going to Kofa Wildlife Refuge. Go outside, aren't you? Better get a big drink of water. Get another drink. Get some more water. You ready to go outside? Here we go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, there's a nice breeze coming through, too. It is pretty windy here at Kofa, but we found a pretty good spot. I mean, there's people out here. Chia just got tangled up around the table that I have set up to paint later. But look at the mountain over here behind me. It looks a lot smaller than it is in the photo, in the video. But Chia wanted to go for a walk, so we're gonna go for a little walk. Come along with us. The first thing Chia does is poop. So we're going to go back to the van and throw it away. And look at Daisy. Doesn't she look beautiful over there? I hope this microphone is working because it's very windy out here. You ready to go inside, Chia? I decided to paint. So I started this one last week when it was very windy. Too windy to come out here, so I started painting it in the van. But I didn't get finished, so